Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you two simple tests you can do to find out really quickly if your fruit tree is alive or dead. The first test is the bend test. So all you have to do is grab a branch and then bend it about 90 degrees and see if it's nice and supple and bendable or if it's kind of brittle and breaks on you. So this one is looking good. The second test is the scratch test. So let me show you that on this tree. So right here, I just scratch it lightly with my fingernail and you can see it's green. And if it's green, it means that it has the sap inside and that it's alive and growing. And if it's brown, it's likely dead. So I actually thought we might have lost this Honeycrisp apple about a year ago because I think all of the blossoms and leaves died. But it looks like it's come back to life, so I'm very excited about that. This is a plum tree. You can see here the oldest part of the tree is actually quite kind of brittle, so I'm going to do the bend test. It broke right in half. Let's do it again. Broke again. And you can see it looks very dry and brown and woody. So the main part of the tree is actually very, very dead. It looks like some sort of disease got to it. Though this main stalk appears to be dead, it looks like these newer stalks are actually probably alive. So I'm going to do the bend test. Feel very supple, very flexible and bendy. And doing the scratch test, you can see it looks green under that top layer of bark. And so although the main part of the tree appears to have died, it looks like these young little sprouts off of the base of the plant are alive and doing well. This is a little bit sad here. Look at this. I think this is like a nectarine or a peach tree. If I go like that, it just breaks right in half. And if I do the scratch test, you can see there's no green in there. The wood feels very light and very brittle. Now here is a Bartlett pear tree that's been planted for a little bit less than a year. And this lost like all of its leaves, and I thought it died because of a disease it got. But it looks like it's coming back in full force. And if we do the bend test, you can see it's quite flexible and supple. And the scratch test shows that it's nice and green under that top layer of bark. I'm gonna have to replace quite a few of these trees. I think quite a few of them died due to fire blight because it was too moist last spring. And at the time I didn't know how to prevent the fungi and bacteria from growing. But anyways, I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.